I know video editing takes lots of time, but what if you can use some tips and tricks which would help you to edit faster and save lots of time in Premiere Pro? Isn't that great? So in this video, I will give you some tips and tricks which I personally use to help you to edit faster in Premiere Pro. Coming up. Hi everyone, I'm Harshvardhan. Welcome to harshvardhanart.com. If you are also using the Premiere Pro for video editing, then you know that video editing takes lots of time, and you know that there are certain tasks which we need to perform on the daily basis, and those takes lots of time. But what if I can tell you some quick tips which would help you to quickly perform those tasks very easily, and that would not only save you a lot of time, but then you can accomplish a lot more. So are you ready to learn this? So before we get any further, please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want to say something, leave that in the comment section below. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks and tutorials. So without further ado, let's get started.
This is the episode number 4 of how to edit faster and work more efficiently in Premiere Pro. If you have not watched the previous videos, please don't forget to watch them as well. The link of that is in the description section below, and if you are on YouTube, on your I button right now. So the first tip which I'm going to give you in this video is that always color grade your videos or color grade your clip first before you start the editing. As you can see, this is the intro which I have showed, and the mistake which I have done over here, I forgot to color grade it initially. You can see, so later on I just color graded this first cut of this clip, and you can see the difference. This is the after color grading and this is before color grading. And the problem with this is that now I want to have the consistent look throughout the entire clip or the entire sequence. So what options are available with me? So number one option which I have is I can use the same effects or an adjustment layer. So for that purpose, I will go to the project panel and click on this plus icon, this page like icon. I will click on this and click on the adjustment layer, and that would open up the adjustment layer dialog. I'll just press the OK. This would select the width and height according to the sequence settings, and I will press OK. So now I got the adjustment layer over here. So I will click and drag it over the top of my timeline over all those clips, and then I will select the selection tool and I will just drag it to the entire clip. Okay. And now what I would do, I would select this clip where I have color graded. So I have color graded on this clip. So what I would do, I would go to the effects control of this layer, and then do you want to download unlimited videos, audios, sound effects, graphic templates, fonts, photos, WordPress items and 3D models and much more with just one subscription? Then Envato Elements is a one-stop shop for all your creative assets needs. If you are a content creator or YouTuber or online instructor, then you are in constantly need of videos, audios, fonts, photos, presentation templates, graphic templates, 3D models, etc. And it's not feasible to pay each time you use certain videos, fonts, photos or other sound effects or audios for your particular project, because that becomes very costly and not affordable. What if you could just download unlimited videos, audios, presentation templates, graphic templates, fonts, photos, WordPress items, 3D models and much more with just one subscription? And then you must get the Envato Elements subscription, because this is the only subscription at this moment on the market which gives you everything. It has 54+ million assets at this time, and more are being added every day. and all the Envato elements item you can download. They are covered with the commercial lifetime license, so once you download them and you can use it forever, and the subscription is very affordable. As you can see that the individual plan starts at $16.50 per month, and if you don't want to just buy the subscription, get the free plan, and with free plans you will get 12 free files every month. Isn't that great? So if that's what you want, go ahead and check out the Envato elements. The link of this is in the description section below. I would check out the effects. So I have two Lumetri colors effects. So I'll select first and then press shift and then click on the second one. I would select the first one and then press Ctrl or Command and select the second one. So that way both would be selected, and right click and I would select the copy. And now I would select the adjustment layer. So adjustment layer now has the white outline. That means this layer is selected. And if I select this one, so this got the white outline, so that means this clip is selected. So I would select the adjustment layer and then I will press Ctrl V or Command V. The moment I would do, you can see the effects control of the adjustment layer got these two effects. All right, so now I got the consistent look everywhere. The problem with this that now this portion got double color grading. So I have the color grading effects over here and I have over here as well. All right, so what I can do, I can click and just remove it or just trim it from the first part so that it doesn't apply over here, and then I can use. So you can see now it has the consistent look. So that's the number one way. The other method which is available for me is that I can select this clip, okay, and then I can go to the effects panel and disable these effects. So what would happen? Only the adjustment layer effects would be applied and not the original which I did the color grading or the effects of Lumetri colors on this clip. All right, so now I have got the consistent look. So that's the first tips, that you can do the color grading on an adjustment layer. So that way you can just control where you want to apply it. Suppose there is a clip inside it. So I suppose this one, this part, I don't want to apply it over here. So I can just make a cut or edit over here and then click and drag it over here. So that way the effects would not be applied or color grading would not be applied on this part, and rest of the clip would be having the same. All right, so that's the tip number one. And now let me give you the tip number two, and that saves you a lot more time. There is another option. What is that I can just copy all these effects and then I would go one by one into each and every clip and then paste it, but that would take a lot more time. So what if there is a simple option or simple and easiest way, and that is using the master clip. So at this moment when this clip is selected, and let me enable all the effects and just disable this adjustment layer to click on the eye icon. That way this video track would be disabled. All right, so now I would select this layer and I would copy these two Lumetri color adjustment by selecting first and then pressing Ctrl and clicking on the second one, and I would press Ctrl C or Command C to copy them. And then over here in the effects control panel, there is an option called master edit faster. All right, so this would be the name of your clip, you can see. So I would just click on this and now you can see this is just blank. So what I would do, I would press Ctrl V or Command V. So that way this effect would be pasted on the master clip, and when we go back you can see now this effect has been applied on each and every part of this clip. So you can see, but the problem again we are facing that in the first part it has now the double color grading or the double effects of Lumetri color. So we will go to the effects control and we'll click on these effects icon to disable this. Now you can see there's a line, that means the effects is now disabled. And if we go back, now you can see we have got the color grading or the consistent color grading on the entire clip. So this saves you a lot more time rather than going to each part one by one and Control V pasting, Command V pasting, you can just simply go to the master edit and paste your effects over here. And if you want to disable it, just disable it, and that would disable the effects from the entire clip. You can see now the entire clip has no color grading. If we go back to the master edit and enable effects panel by clicking on the effects icon, now it has got the color grading back. So the entire clip or the entire footage would be having the same color grading. So that's the second tip. So this is how you can save a lot more time, and rather than going to do each clip one by one and pasting effects or color grading effects. And this applies to any effects. So if you have some other effects, then you can just do the same with the help of the master clip option within the Premiere Pro itself.
So thank you so much. I hope you found these tips very useful, and these would save you a lot more time. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. Please support this video by sharing this video with others. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing for more amazing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. See you in the next video. Till then, keep shooting and unleash the creative in you. Bye-bye.